So write a query to write a query. Then so for what each team in what's it? Each team in group A should play with what? Should play with each team in group B. Write a query to generate the matches. So you have to write a query to display matches between group A and group B. Okay, then what? Select. So every team should play with other 5 teams. This team should play with all the 5 teams. This should play with all the 5. They should play with all the 5. Then what? Let's say once again, group A, let's say as A. Next, what? Cross join group B as B. Then A dot team. Once again, I want output to be like this. I want to print output CSK versus MI. CSK versus MI. CSK versus SRH. I want to print like this output. I want to print output like this. CSK is A team. MI is B team. Display both the teams concatenated, separated by versus. A dot team. A dot team means CSK. B dot team means MI for the first time. Then A dot team. After that, print versus. How to print versus? Concatenate. Concatenate versus plus B dot team. Yes or no? Then see, CSK join with one. All the 5. All the 5. So CSK versus MI. CSK versus SRH. Like this. CSK is completed. Next one. KKR. KKR is joined with all the 5. Yes. Then. So this query will return how many? This query will return how many matches? 25 matches. Okay. Then sir, create the tables. Create the table. Okay. Then So these are the tables. I'm adding the tables to the Google class then. Okay. Now, so then run this, create the tables, create the tables. Okay. Then so 5 rows affected, 5 rows affected. So tables are what? Created. Okay, now then now see the table. Select start from what? Group A. Then select start from group A. So select start from what, sir? Group B. Okay. Then so let me run this query. See that how many matches? 25. 25 matches. Yes or no? Then this query is generating 25 matches. Next. Sir, actually, see here, sir, each team should play with other teams twice, not once. They should play, CSK should play with what? MI, not one time, twice. They should play with twice. Sir, each team should play with other teams twice. Then you understood now? This each team should play with other teams twice. They should play with this team twice. The CSK should play with SRH 2 times. CSK should play with GT 2 times. CSK should play with DC 2 times. How? That means how many matches? 50. This is giving 25 now. Same thing I want to repeat. And how? Hmm? I want to repeat this. Into 2. Query can be multiplied with 2. No, it is not a variable. If it is a variable, you can multiply with 2. How can you multiply the query result? How to repeat the query result? Huh? Okay, na? See, this query giving 25 matches, same query. This query, same query. This query gives 25. This query also gives 25. Between these two, union all. Between these two, union all. Run the query. Then you see that how many matches? 50 matches. What we are doing here? Combining the two queries output. First query output, second query output is combined. Okay, na? Then. So now next, then Sir, each team in Group A should play with each team in Group B twice. Twice. Then you have to write query like this. Okay. Okay. Now, sir, here in IPL, can how many league matches you know? Hmm? 70, sir. How many? 70. This query is giving 50. What is the remaining 20? Okay, na? Then see once again. You see this. Like actually, then, sir, what is the rule here to generate the 70 matches? What is the approach they follow? You see that each team in Group A should play with other teams once within the group. Within the group, suppose Group A, CSK should play with KKR, CSK should play with RR, CSK should play with RCB, PBKS. So each team in Group A should play with other teams once. Okay, na? Then tell me, this generates how many matches? Huh? This will generate how many matches? This should play with other four. This should play with other T. How many? 20? 25. 20. Yeah. Sir, here you see that CSK, KKR, RR, RCB, PBKS. CSK plays with how many? 4. KKR 3. 4 plus 3, 7. And RR plays with 2. 7 plus 2, 9. RCB, what's that? 1. PBKS, then 10. 10. 10 matches. Yes. Each team should play with other teams once. Then how many? 10. Group A, how many? 10. Group B, how many? 10. Next 50 matches between Group A and Group B. Total how many? 7. Then see, this is 1. What is the second one? Each team in group B should play with one, should play with other teams once. This is group B. Next one. Next. Each team in group A should play with other teams in group B. What's that? Twice. So you write a query for this. So this is the scenario. For this scenario, you write a query. Oh, you already written this. We are written this one. Third one is we are written. First one returns 10 matches. Second one returns 10 matches. Third one returns 50. Total 70. That's. But how to write the query for first and second? Matches within the group, not between two groups. Within the group. Within the group means within the table. Within the table means self-join. For this first query, self-join. Second query, self-join. Third one, cross-join. Oh, okay. Oh, okay. So tell me the query for first one. Because we already written this query. Tell me the query for first one. Within the group. Within this group. Group A. Take group A. You take group A. Then. So group A. Then group A. Tell me, sir. Group A. CSK should play with next 4. KKR should play with next 3. RR should play with next 2. RCB should play with next 1. Then what? Self-join. Self-join means imagine 2 tables. Physically 1 tables, but you imagine what's the 2 tables then. What is the condition? What is the condition? Sir, this should be joined to this 4. This should be joined to this 4. You write a condition in such a way that the team should play with next 4 teams. Next 4 teams. This KKR should play with next 3, 3, 4, 5. Okay. Then RR should play with 4 and 5. RCB should play with 5. Tell me what? Huh? See, what is most important is condition is most important. Join condition. You write a condition in such a way that the condition should return this. So each team should play with next 4 teams. Then what is the condition? IDs are there now. ID. Compare the IDs. A dot ID equal to na. A dot ID equal to A. Let's say X. This is X table. Elias, just assume Elias. This is Y table. Because if I take AB again, you come confused. XY. What is the condition? X dot ID equals to Y dot ID. If X dot ID equal to Y dot ID, what the output is? CSK, KKR. Next one, RR, like this. This is output. IDs are equal. If IDs are equal, if you join, output is like this. But what? This is not my output. Then greater than then it should play with the next 4 teams. Then what? So what is the condition? What is the condition? Sir, this one should play with 2, 3, 4. 2 should play with 3, 4, 5. Not equal to means 2 also played with 1. Don't play this 2 with 1. Play 2 with 3 and 4, 5. One should play with 3, 4, 5. 2, 3, 4, 5. 2 should play with 3, 4, 5. 3 should play with 4, 5. 4 should play with 5. Then what the condition is? A dot ID less than B dot ID. A dot ID less than what's that? B dot ID. Let's come to this first one. What is A dot ID? First row. A dot ID is 1. 1 compared with 1. Less than 1 compared with 1. No. 1 compared with 2. Condition true. Then CSK join with KKR. 1 compared with 3. 1 compared with 3. Yes. CSK join with RR. 1 compared with 4. CSK join with RCB. 1 compared with 5. CSK join with PBKS. Sir, 1 is completed. CSK is completed. Yes. Okay, na? Then CSK is completed. Next, what is the next? It go to KKR. KKR ID is what? 2. 2 less than 1? No. 2 less than 2? No. 2 less than 3? Yes. Then KKR join with RR. Next, KKR join with RCB. Okay. Then KKR join with PBKS. Yes. Next one. KKR is completed. Then Next one, RR. RR 3. 3 compared with 1. No. Compared with 2. No. Compared with 3. No. Compared with 4. Yes. Then RR is joined with RCB. Next. RR is joined with PBKS. Yes. What is the next one? RCB. 4. 4 less than 1. No. 2. No. 3. No. 4. No. 5. Yes. RCB joined with RCB. RCB joined with PBKS. And total how many? 10 matches. That's all combinations covered up. You check all combinations covered. Yes. Yes or no? So tell me the query. Tell me the query for first one. Select what's it? Select X dot team. Next plus versus Y dot team. X dot team plus Y dot team from group A as X. Next one, inner join group B as, sorry, group A as Y. Then next on ID less than Y dot ID. What this query gives? This query gives the matches within the group. The matches within the group A. This will return what? Matches within the group A. How many matches? 10 matches. I want matches within the group B. Then same query, only change the table name. What is the table name? Group B. Here also what? Group B. Yes. So this is first query, first requirement. This is a second requirement. Then next. Sir, here these two should be combined. Then how? They should be combined. How? Union all. Union all. Combine these outputs by using union all. Then what is the next? 1 and 2. Third already you written. Yes. What is the third one? This one. This is the third. Already written now. So union. And this is third one. Total how many queries? Third one, why two queries? Third one, why two queries? For third one was each team group A should play with all the teams in group B twice. That's why 2 times. Understood? Then if you run this query should display how many matches? 70. Okay. So run this. You see this, what? So total how many rows? 70 rows. Okay, then. Okay, then. This is one example where cross join is required, self join is required. Okay, then. Okay, that's it. So this is what this is. Then. So what the concept is? Joins. So joins is completed. Okay, next. Then. Now. There. See, okay now. So suppose, for example, I want department wise total salary. How you write? I want to calculate the department wise total salary. Then group by. You write a query like this. Select what department number, then sum of salary from EMP group by department number. Yes. Okay. Then. So as total salary. This query gives department wise total. But in the output, don't show the department number, show the department name. See, if you show 10, 20, 30, they don't understand what is 10, what is 20, what is 30. They don't like to see the codes, they like to see the names. Instead of showing 10, show accounts, 20 research, 30 what's the sales. So instead of showing the department number, show the department what's the name. So from where you can calculate the total salary, from which table you can get the total salary? Employee table. So which table contains department names? Department table. Salary belongs to EMP, D name belongs to department. You want data from two tables, then join the two tables. But it's not asking employee details with department details. He's asking department wise total. Then he's asking department wise total, but don't show the department number, show the department name. Then what? Join plus what's the group by? Join plus what? Group by. So actually what you learn group by separately, join separately. Let's combine this group by and join in one query. Okay. Then what? Group by and what's the join? You want to summarize the data, but data belongs to two tables. Then you have to join. So how to write the query? You write query like this. Select what's the columns from table one, next one, inner join or anything, outer join, etc. Table two, next one, on what? Join condition. Next, if you want, you can have where condition. Next one, group by column 1, column 2, so on. What is the next? Suppose what? Having condition. Next what? Order by. Like this. Okay, then let's see. Suppose what I want is display what? Department wise total salary, but display department names. Don't display the department number, display the department names. Then what? Display department wise total, display department names. Then uh, same output, but in this output, don't show the number, show the names, department names. Okay, then so how? Select what? Select then. What I'm asking, department wise total salary, but display department names. Then D dot D name, comma, sum of, because he's asking department wise total, sum of E dot salary, sum of E dot salary as total salary from what? EMP as E. Next, inner join department as D, because D name belongs to department, salary belongs to EMP. So data belongs to two tables. Then you have to join these two tables. When you're joining these two tables, compulsory you have to give join condition. What that is? E dot department number equals to D dot. So joining these two tables based on the department number. Yes. Then, but it's not asking detailed data. Means is a detailed data means employee name, department name. See once again, if you ask what's the employee name, suppose if you ask employee name, department name, then so like this query is enough. If you ask employee name, department name, what this is detailed data, but it's not asking detailed data. Is asking what? Summarized data. What is asking? Summarized data. Then department wise total salary. Then sum of what? E dot salary. Whenever you want summarized data, then what you have to use? You have to use what? Group by. So grouping is based on what? Department name. So D dot what's it? D name. Then what happens is accounts becomes one group. Then calculate the sum salary for accounts. Research becomes one group and calculate the total salary. Sales becomes one group, calculate the total salary. For each department, it calculate the total salary. Now see this. Understood? Then Okay. Sir, why you question here? Why join? Why performing join? Why join is required? Because this field belongs to department. This field belongs to EMP. That's why join. Why group by? Why we are using group by here? Because he's not asking detailed data. He's asking department wise total. Particular field wise, you want to calculate max, min, sum, average. Compulsory, what is required? Grouping is required. Okay. Then, so this is the query. But how this is executed? Huh? How this query is executed? Okay, now then once again, how this is executed? So when you write this query, then so this is the tables. Let's take these tables. Then once again, what is executed first? What is executed first? From. From is executed first. Just see this. So this is EMP. Okay, now this is what's the department. These are the two tables. These two tables are loaded into memory. From clause is executed. When from clause is executed, the tables are loaded into memory. Next, it will apply what? It will apply the join condition. This is the join condition. Apply the join condition. So when you apply the join condition, this is joined to this row. This is joined to this row. Yes. Next one. This is joined to this row. This is joined to this row. Next one. This is joined to this row. And this is joined to this row. So 20 joined with 20 resets. And this is joined to this row. Okay, na? This is after join. Employee row join with department row. Then what is the next one? What is the next group by? Next one is group by is executed. Then when you say group by, grouping is based on what? D name. Accounts becomes one group. Accounts becomes one group. What are the rows belongs to this group? What the row belongs to this group? 1A 5,000. Next 5E 2,000. This is one. Research becomes one group. 2B, what's that? 3,000. Next 4D 3,000. So sales becomes one group. Tell me what is this belongs to this group? 3C 4,000. 3C, what's that? 4,000. How many groups are created? Three. Next, what is the next one? What is the next one? Select. After group by, what is the next one? Select. Select will select. What it selects? From each group, it select the D name and calculate the total. It go to first group, select the D name. What is the D name? Accounts. Apply the sum function. What is the sum? 7,000. Go to the second group. What? Research. Apply the sum function. 6,000. Sales 4,000. Like this. That's how. This is how it is executed. First go to the tables, join the rows, group the rows, select. Okay. Okay. You know, now let's see. Then. So here you see this. Suppose I want to show the number of employees working under each manager. I want to see how many employees working under each manager. There are some managers. How many employees working under each manager? We already written. What is that? Is self join. Can then so number of employees working under each manager. See, we written a query employee name, manager name. Tell me how. Employee name, manager name. Then can and tell me how. Huh? Here actually what is there in the table, boss? Table contains what? Manager number. Yes. So table contains manager number. But what I want is manager name. I want name of this manager. How to get the name of this manager? Compare this manager number with employee number. This manager number is matching to this employee number. Yes. Okay, na? This is matching to this one. Join this row with this row. Then. So Eleni join with Blake. Yes. Then what? So what is the query? Select what? X dot e name, y dot e name from empx. Next one, inner join emp as y on x dot mgr equals to y dot emp and book. So what this query will show? This query will show each and every employee plus manager name. Yes. X dot e name means Smith is employee name. Ford is manager. Alan is employee. Blake is manager. Y dot e name means what? Manager. Yes. Then see, first time writing y dot e name. Next time writing x dot e name. X dot e name means employee. Y dot e name means manager. Manager, employee. Okay. But I'm not showing. I'm not asking to display employee name, manager name. I'm asking to display how many employees working under each manager. Under Blake, how many working? Under King, how many working? Then what's it? I'm asking group by what? Manager name. What is the manager name? Y dot e name. Then so group by Y dot e name. Then for each group, what do you want to calculate? See what happens. Blake becomes one group. Blake becomes one group. King becomes one group. Jones becomes one group. Manager names are same. That becomes one group. For each group, what do you want to calculate? I'm asking number of employees. Then what? Count. Then what? Count of X dot e name. X dot e name means employee count. This count is calculated for each manager. Yes. Then as what? As count. Then run the query. How many working under Blake? 5. Clark 1, Ford 1, Jones 2, King 3, Scott 1. Okay. Then. So what is this is group by plus what's that? Join. Self join. Okay. Then. So how many reporting to Blake? How many reporting to Blake? 5. How many reporting to Clark? 1. Okay. Then Enough. Then okay. Now what is this is this is also an example for group by and what's it? Join. Yes. Okay. Then next. Okay now. Then okay. Sir, you try this. They are also joins and group by. One is sales table is there, date ID, product ID, customer ID, quantity, amount. Okay, na? Then. So this table contains sales data. Suppose 2026 07 example 27. Okay. Product is 100, customer 10, quantity 1, 2000. What is the meaning of this row? In tables, boss, what is important is if you see the table, in table, one row represents what? You have to understand the meaning of that row. Okay, one row in this table. What is one row? This row. What is the meaning of this row? So and so product, so and so date, so and so product sold to so and so customer. By selling this product, how much amount received from the customer? 2000. That is one row. One row means one sale. One row means one sale, not one sale. In a day, you take Amazon sales number of products to number of customers in a day. Yes, every sale is recorded in this table. Every sale is recorded in this table. Which product sold to which customer, which day, how much amount. Okay, na? Then what this table contains? This table contains what? Product ID. But these product details are stored in another table, product table. What is the table? Products. What that contains? Product ID, product name, price, product what sir? Category, product what? Brand. So this 100, this product details are stored in another table, products table. What is that product 100? Then product name, some name. Okay, some name. Price what? Price is suppose 2000. Category, what's the category? Electronics. Next one, brand something Samsung like this. So these product details are stored in another table. Next one. And this product is sold to one customer 10. Who is this customer? This customer details are stored in customer table. Okay. Customer what? ID. Customer what? Name. Customer what? Address. Customer country. Suppose. Then what is the customer? 10. Some name. Some address. HYD. Some what? Country. What is the country? IND. So three tables. In products table, product IDs, products table, product IDs, primary key. Customer table, customer IDs, primary key. Sales table, product IDs, foreign key. Sales table, customer IDs, foreign key. Understood? Then these three tables given to you. These three tables are given to you. From these three tables, what they're asking is display what year-wise total sales. Display year-wise total sales. 2000, what's that? Sorry, 2024, what is the total sales? 2025, what is the total sales? 2027, sorry, 26, what is the total sales? They want year-wise total sales. Yeah, here actually one row means one sale details are stored, but you have to summarize up to year. Total 2024 how much, 2025 how much, 2026 how much. Okay, na? He's asking year-wise total sales. What is the next? Suppose display what? Display what's that? What? Category-wise total sales. Then what is the next one? Display what? Display what? Country-wise total sales. Next one. Display what? Year-wise. Year-wise. Next one. Country-wise. Next one. Category-wise total sales. That's three tables. You try these four queries. Best example for group by and join. Okay, then. You know, then. So just once again, what is asking here? Here, what is this amount is by selling what product 100? But is asking category wise total sales. Electronics category, total sales, furniture total sales. This is one single product. Yes or no? One single sale amount. Like that in a day, number of electronics products sold to number of customers. Yes, the total sales category wise. Okay, na? Then category belongs to products table. Total amount is calculated from total sales means amount. Total sales means what? Amount. Then totals amount is belongs to sales table. Category belongs to products. What do you have to do? Join. Any common field is there? Yes. Product. Right. Product ID is common. Join these two tables based on the product ID and calculate category wise total amount. Group by category. For all the categories, this is added. Electronics category, this is added. Furniture category, this is added. Categories are same, then it will add these values. Okay. Then next, country wise. Asking country wise. This is customer. But country wise is asking country belongs to customer. Then what? Join these two tables. Can you join these two tables? Any common field is there? Yes, customer ID. Customer ID is common. So join these two tables based on the customer ID. That's how simple. These three examples based on group by and join. Okay. Okay. So then that's up. This is about what group by and what's it join. Then in the next class, we'll see set operators. Okay. What are the set operators? One is what? Union, union all, intersect, excel. Okay. Already you know one. You already used this union all. But we'll see what is union, what is union all. Okay. Then. So we'll see that in the next class.